tuning into The Style Show with your host.
So I'm here early. At least like it's like 9:45. So technically they don't open till 10. So I'm gonna just sit up here for a second. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get you guys some drip, trying to get you guys some, fashion for the channel, for the show. I don't know what these sales are gonna be like when I walk in there, you know what I'm saying? Like my addiction might start taking over. I wanna hit this Zara sale, then I wanna hit Nordstrom. I just need to make sure definitely I have my size. 40% off these is kinda nice. Oh, hey.
Hi.
I came back. What was I looking for? Oh no, I found the cropped puffer vest in the women's. It was so much better because I get too hot, so the sleeves, yeah, it's been nice. I'm really looking for shoes more than clothes, but you know what? I might have to tap in. It's a little more stressful than I thought. So I think I'm gonna grab these shoes from Zara though. I think they're cool, but they're, I guess, gonna be $40, which is like more in my price of comfortability. I really don't know what else I like really need. Like, I'm not just trying to buy stuff to buy stuff. I low-key like these right here, just because it's like they're not black. They'd be about $40 too, so I like the black sole, but then the suede upper, because I'm really looking for shoes, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I wouldn't say like the sale's worth it, but I guess my total was $96 for 3 things. 1 shoes. I did get this like super sick sweater with this crop. The crop plus like oversized sleeves. I don't know how to say it. Now I'm trying to rush over to Nordstrom because that's where I think I'm gonna find some other stuff that I could definitely use. Mostly shoes. I need more shoes. Like clothes were set, you know what I'm saying? I still got more clothes on the way, but shoes kind of are a next level piece needed. So I found these in the Adidas store, and low-key I felt like these was tough. For $90 too, I mean, I wouldn't be mad about that. So far, I mean, brand new, so, a little stiffy on them, but I mean, honestly, they feel really comfortable. They feel way better. And, damn. Way better than, them shit's hard, bro. I'm gonna have to get these. I'm gonna have to get these when I saw it with the pant. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a good cop. That's a good shoe too, low key. Like Adidas did their thing with that one. I don't know who they copied. Okay, so I'm checking out. Can you tell them again what you just told me?
They came out a week ago.
A week ago, so you guys seeing it first. I'm definitely gonna be the flyest dude with these. Yeah, but I'm getting in the system. Yeah, and for under $100, that's low key insane. Low key tough. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
I'll email you.
All right. Yo, you heard it. I literally asked her. I was like, "Can you say what you just said to me?" Cause I was like, "Yo, why are these the toughest shoes in there?" They just came out like a week ago at that store, so we're about to definitely make a video for those shoes independently. Cause I got enough right now. I might try and look at anything else, see if I could expand. So the sun came out. I'm happy about that. But essentially, I basically spent $200. Budget challenge locked in, but honestly, we're way over budget. I think it might have to be $1,000 just because, like $1,000's like a good price if you want to redo your wardrobe. I'm gonna go into Bloomingdale's and find low-key Skechers, like low-key, let me fucking do it. Let me go see what Skechers has. Could you drip out some Skechers or what? Are these in now? Let me try this one in the 10.5 just because I know I'm an 11, but I don't know Skechers.
Okay.
So, and then I'll just hold on that other one.
Okay.
Because I like this red one more anyways. Yeah, Look at this. I was like, that's kind of cool. Yeah, they kind of just look like something else. That's why they're cool. All right, so these Skechers apparently are doing something too. Well, they kind of look like Sambas, low key. But I'm kind of feeling them, I guess. I just have so many white shoes, you know? Do I need another white shoe? So I'm getting these ones, guys. We're gonna style the shit out of these right here. These are gonna be fire. The other one's just a little too muted, but I like how these really have some color, some life in them, and it's a good shoe for lifestyle streetwear. So H&M just called me. I'm gonna grab this like basic black tee. It's like $10. Honestly, it's 15. And then I'm gonna grab this small washed reverse stitch hoodie just because I want to do some distressing to it. And it's on sale, so it's like rather do it to cheaper pieces, and then like I'm done. It's been a day. Let me just tell you. You probably saw earlier. I went to the mall early before work. And essentially went shopping. So these are the things I got. I want to show you.